And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
On average, we see about 23 tornadoes per year in the Badger State. Now, so far this year, it's been pretty abysmal. We've only had 2 tornadoes, and that was back on June 24th. Now, I'm not saying we're going to be seeing a lot of tornadoes, but just seeing this shows that we haven't had a whole lot of severe weather so far this season, and maybe some things are going to start to change as we turn the page into tomorrow. This morning, it was a cloudy start, but then the sunshine slowly made its return as we got into the afternoon hours, as an area of low pressure was moving away from us, and we got a little bit of dry weather here for at least a short time before more active weather moves right back in here. A weak cold front moving right through Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, sparking off a few showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening, but this is the main area of low pressure that's developing and will be causing some severe weather. Actually, talking about severe weather is going to be ongoing right now over parts of the Rockies as showers and storms are already starting to fire up. A slight risk and an enhanced risk for severe weather for those sections, and that's all going to be shifting eastward. There's that severe thunderstorm watch in effect until later tonight, and I wouldn't be surprised to see plenty of those spreading eastward as we head into the overnight period. Watch what happens. We have very isolated showers and storms that kick off right now, but then this cluster of storms will be moving right through South Dakota and then propagating farther and farther eastward into the state of Minnesota before making its way into our neck of the woods. It starts to fall apart, but still the energy, the motion with it could be firing up a few additional thunderstorms by the afternoon tomorrow. And this is what we're concerned with, having at least one round of storms in the afternoon and evening, followed by another round of storms later on tomorrow night. So heavy round of storms, potentially flooding rains, gusty winds, hail, and even a small chance of a tornado. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather for areas along and south of Highway 29 tomorrow, and that's the areas that we'll be focusing on. Flooding rains and also gusty winds will be the primary threats. We do also have a smaller risk for hail, and tornadoes certainly are possible if we get these quick little spin-ups on the leading edge of the gusty wind front. As we get a closer look showing some of these showers and storms moving in by the afternoon, this is 2 o'clock. There's the leading edge of the first round of the thunderstorms. That moves out of here by about 6 or so. We get a little lull, and then later on by about 9, 10 o'clock, here comes the second round of storms moving right through our area, and this should be leaving about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning hours. So if we get a 1-2 punch, we could be seeing a lot of rainfall amounts across our area. This is just one of the computer models spitting out anywhere from 1 to over 4 inches of rain. And that's where we're talking about flooding concerns. 82 in Green Bay with a light wind out of the west at 8 miles per hour. Sunset at 8:36. We're a little cooler along the shoreline at 75 in Manitowoc, 76 in Ephraim. The rest of us are in those lower to mid 80s. Fond du Lac right now at 84. We will drop down to 65 tonight with a southwest wind at 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow we'll get up into the mid 80s with a southwest wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Showers and thunderstorms expected, especially as we get into the afternoon. A few isolated showers and storms could carry over into early Thursday morning, and then some dry weather Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but those temperatures start to climb up and an isolated chance of storms on Tuesday, highs near 90. So we did see a little break from the hot, humid weather. Now we're first getting the storms, and then the hot, humid comes back.
And the storms is really just covering almost all of northeast Wisconsin. It just looks like a big band of storms wiping through.
Right, that's what's showing right now. Things could certainly change tomorrow, so keep up to date with NBC26, and we'll update you all.
All right, Gino, thank you. When we return, a former Packers